You can expect a lot from the 2008 Chevrolet Impala. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, delay-off headlights, front and rear cup holders, a trip computer, and power windows. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.